good evening, my beauties, and how are you tonight? I have here, because I got these both on the same day, I thought that I would do a comparison unboxing. So we definitely have different size boxes. All the information will be below. And if you like this video and my other videos, subscribe for more. I've got some really interesting things coming up. So let's get on with it, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to start with the little one, the little box. This is the regular Boxycharm. This is the Boxycharm base box. And there's our card. So the first thing that I see here that I pull out is, I like the feel of the box, Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. That's what that looks like. It's in kind of a plasticky, really smooth box. Interesting. It's in a little sack. And this is what it looks like. Dewy-eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. And let's see, let's pump a little out and see how, my hand and see how it goes. Whoop, squirted it the wrong way. It's liquidy. Makes it kind of, maybe it'll be hand serum. Make your hands look younger. And let's see what the card says about it. So, our first product here, it says, Beekman 1802 Dewy-Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum. There's something that I need desperately, because I'm always looking for anti-puff. Awaken tired eyes with a high concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. A powerful blend of actives and goat milk. Don't tell that to the goats over at the barn where I board my horse. The price of that is $42. So that's a win-win. That's a good product. That gives us a good start right out of the gate. The next product we have looks like this. Glow Wand. It says Shape Tape Glow Wand. An instant eye lift. But you'll have to excuse my eyebrows. I went a little crazy with the eyebrow pen because I was experimenting. Liquid Brain let your skin come through to deliver a natural lift from within youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focus finish. Includes removable sponge for on the go blending. The little sponge comes out. That's pretty cool. Okay. Wow, it's got a nice brush, nice soft look to it. Look at that. This hand, it is amazing that this hand doesn't look a million times different than this one, because I'm always putting products on this hand. Tint. Oh, I hope it's liquid eyeliner because my last one exploded. I still got drops of it on the carpet. Okay, this Smokey eye pencil. Here you go. It says there. It's got a nice tip to it. Right here. Ooh, that draws nice. Very smooth. You can darken it. If you go over it, it darkens up. Nice. This is so soft. It goes on so nice and smooth that I can imagine it's going to be really easy drawing a nice smoky look or whatever look you want on your eyes. So that one says Tint Beauty Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. Achieve both definition and blendability with this pencil. The unique formulation allows you to create precision and feather edges with a soft dab of a fingertip or beauty sponge. This firm yet creamy formulation, which it is, glides with ease, which it does, and creates a soft smoky eye and rich defined wing. That'd be next. Oh, I see brushes. I see brushes. I'm not liking the color though. Green and yellow are actually my two least favorite colors. But these are all, it looks like all eye brushes, which I have a ton of. No other people like these colors. And they look like nice brushes. Eye brushes are One more product. Spray, something I'm gonna spray. Let's see what we got here. Hot Toddy for ironing, heat protectant mist. See, let's see. This says Hot Toddy heat protectant mist, a lightweight spray, protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons. Now see, I do not do any of that. I just let my hair air dry naturally. It's a good product. I'm sure, you know, that'd be wonderful for somebody who does use heat products, which I did about 30 years ago, but I don't anymore. But okay, so we've got two, and we got one. We got a couple of these nice eye things. Those are good, and this is, I like this. So let's see how much Boxycharm listens to what we want. Okay, the next one is big. This is the Boxycharm Premium. Comes like this. And we have another card. Start off with something that says Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. Melted chocolate. This innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula delivers rich, intense chocolate scented. I'm not sure about that. I'm gonna go around with my eyes smelling like chocolate. Color in cream-centric cocoa tones that can be worn alone for an airbrushed finish or as a pigmented primer that locks down for 2 hours of crease-proof, waterproof wear. Okay, so let's give this a try. That, huh? That's beautiful. Very $10. Okay. Next thing we have here, Rodial. I never know if this is Rodial or Rodial, or I'm not really sure. Dragon's blood eye masks. Dragon's blood. So that's pretty cool. See what it says. Dragon's blood eye mask trio. These innovative gel eye masks combine biocellulose technology with dragon's blood complex. Blood from a dragon. That I want to see. Dragon's blood complex to intensely hydrate the delicate eye area with an immediate depuff effect. It's another depuffer. Brighter appearance. Oh, awesome. So an eye mask that also has the depuffing effect, which I like. That's a good one. We have here Serumkind Black Blossom Hand Serum. And that looks like this. Black Blossom Hand Serum. And nice little tip on it. Perfect for the intensive care of the skin barrier, infused with the healing effects of the Black Blossom Serum. $27. Looks like this. Looks like this. There you go. Precious Serum of the Royal Black Tulip. That's a $27 item. Because I just found this in the corner. Bite. Power Move. Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. Okay. And this is the color Brandy. I like that. I like that color. Comes in like a matte black with the color of it on the end here. Yep, it's like a little crayon. Let's see. Let's try just drawing right here. Oh wow, that's a nice color. It's because you can line first and then color. Looks like a palette. I love palettes. It's in Haus Laboratories. This is what it looks like on the outside. It's nice weight in the hands. Peek. Take a peek at these colors. Those are nice. That's got a lot of, I like that because they're shimmery, but it's got a lot of good blending colors. It's got your shimmery, you know, your warmer tones, and all the way up from black, literally black, all the way up to a nude. That's very nice. Wow, that's definitely a win-win-win-win-win-win-win. More brushes. Look at these. Okay, we got a pretty angled one. And they're in a pretty black. What they look like. It says, get ready to cover all the basics with this set. 3-piece set comes with a dense, domed brush or contour, a powder brush for highlighter or blush, and a small, dense, angled brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. And it's $96. $96 for 3 brushes. Those are expensive brushes. Well, I'll have to use these with care. For the 2, now I would definitely say the premium obviously wins. But the base box wasn't too bad, although I have to say that I've gotten better ones in the past. I like the eye serum. I love the tint. I like tint. I like their eyeliners are really, really good. I don't know about this yet because I haven't tried it. I don't need this because I don't do heat processing on my hair. And even though it did come with some brushes, I just don't like the colors. I don't know. They look like the brushes that a little kid who's just starting off in makeup might use. See, all these are $30, where these 3 alone are $96. So you know where the quality is. This eyeshadow palette. When it comes to eyeshadow palettes, I'm starting to collect so many of them that I'm going to actually start comparing them and seeing which one I like the best. Tonight, for this look, I use the Olive View Forever by Violet Voss, which I love. The colors are fantastic. It stays on. They're very blendable. So that's usually what I go with, is how they look, especially after I blend them. This is really wonderful. It came in a very interesting package. I've never seen packaging quite like that. Pretty cool. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you the next time. Have a wonderful evening and stay beautiful.